Hey there, everybody. This is Howard here at howardfromgeorgia.com. And today I wanted to bring to you a newly released product from Devon Brown. And this is called Daily Commissions Blueprint. And I'm not going to go over the sales page. You can do that on your own. But if you're interested in making money fast, then this is a product you need to look at. It's called the Daily Commissions Blueprint. And in the product, you're actually going to see how easy it is to apply some simple practices and get affiliate commissions rolling in sometimes as early as this week or even tomorrow. There's no guarantee of that, of course, but it has been done and it is being done. Again, this is Daily Commissions Blueprint, and you'll see my cat who's trying to get into the picture here. Again, this is from the sales page, and I'm not going to go over that here. But who's it for? Well, if you need to start making money online, making affiliate commissions, and you don't have a product, you don't have a list, you don't have a website, or maybe even no experience, well then this is for you. Actually, part of this is where Devon is coaching one of his clients, a 66-year-old grandmother, who said it's okay to use her in the story here. And it actually goes into her ClickBank account, and you can see the earnings that she was just so ecstatic about. Now, what I'm offering, if you purchase through my link, I've got exclusive bonuses for you that I've prepared. These are custom made. Nobody else has these. You're not going to find these anywhere else. But the first bonus is advanced affiliate strategies. Now, this is how you can make more profit from your promotions. These are little advanced strategies, and you're not going to see these just everywhere. I'm also going to give you 10 follow-up messages for your autoresponder that you can load in to your autoresponder and start selling to your list on autopilot. And that's pretty cool. You know, one of the biggest hurdles people have in this business is coming up with things to write about. So these are already done for you. All you have to do is put your link into the messages to promote your offer, and then load these into your autoresponder. The next exclusive bonus is my secret checklist for getting more of your emails opened. So you're actually getting more exposure from the same amount of work simply by knowing what to do or what not to do. And my next exclusive bonus are my top sources for getting content. I have people ask me all the time, where can I get things to write about? I'm not good at writing. Can I get somebody to do it for me? Well, if you hire a writer, that costs, it's pretty expensive if you get a decent writer. These sources that I'm giving you here can be used for your own emails, for your own articles that you might post if you have a blog. Some of these even are for giving away as content of value to people on your list, to your subscribers. Exclusive bonus number 5. This is now a deep dive into how to get more of your emails open. This goes beyond the checklist, and it's the details. It's why certain things need to be done, why certain things shouldn't be done, and specifically what not to do. Now, there's some additional bonuses here. One is a study training on launch jacking, how to get free traffic and make commissions off of other people's products. There's a case study here, $10K a month, simply by sending out emails. The next is a software business in a box to get you started selling software as your own. Crazy traffic explosion. If you need 100 to 500 clicks a day, you can apply this and send them to any link that you would like. Here's a breakdown, and this is on my website, howardfromgeorgia.com. This is a breakdown of the front-end product, Daily Commissions Blueprint. It's just $12.95. and it's a 76-page ebook. 76 pages. Now, here are the things that are in the ebook. I'm not going to go through all of those. If reading isn't exactly your thing, then I would urge you to consider this first OTO. It's called the video walkthrough. And that's just what it is. It's a 3-hour training that brings the Daily Commissions blueprint to life. 3 hours of video over the shoulder watching Devon do what he's teaching. The next OTO is the 3X Commissions Formula. This teaches you how to get much more commissions from your promotions. The next is Traffic Fuel. There's 101 sources that have been tested and proven methods to get traffic, unlimited traffic to your offers. And then the fourth OTO is the Ultimate Online Business Toolbox. So the OTOs are extra. You don't need any of them. If you were going to get any of these, I would actually recommend OTO number 1, the video walkthrough, and I would recommend OTO number 2, the 3X Commissions Formula. And depending on your situation, Traffic Fuel. If you're not satisfied totally with the traffic you've been using, or if you'd like to see what else is out there, then Traffic Fuel could be for you. So those are the details on this product, and these are my exclusive bonuses here that I outlined for you. You'll get 5 custom-made exclusive bonuses that you're not going to get anywhere else. And that's if you purchase through my link. Just click the button here, and that'll take you on through to the sales page, and from there you can go ahead and pick the product up. So that's it. If you have any questions, just get on my website, howardfromgeorgia.com. Go to the contact link, or you can email me at howard@howardfromgeorgia.com. And that's it for this review.